Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to create product descriptions using Perplexity AI. This will help you generate engaging and accurate descriptions for your products quickly. So let's get started. First of all, head over to the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. For that, you need to select the settings icon which is on the bottom left corner. Now select API which is on the top right corner. Now select docs and after that select get started. Now here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will grant you access to Perplexity AI's capabilities for text generation. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Now integrate the Perplexity AI API into your product description generation system. Configure it to handle product data inputs and generate descriptions. This involves setting up API endpoints and managing data flow. Now prepare your product data including key features, benefits and any unique selling points. This information will be used by Perplexity AI to generate relevant and compelling product descriptions. Now use Perplexity AI to generate product descriptions by providing the prepared data as input. The API will create descriptions based on the features and benefits you have specified. Now review the generated descriptions to ensure they accurately represent your products and make any necessary adjustments for clarity and style. Test the description generation process with various products to ensure consistency and quality. Refine your input data and settings based on the test results for improved outputs. Now monitor the performance of your product description generation system and make enhancements as needed to improve accuracy and engagement. Now deploy your description generation system into your production environment, integrating it into your e-commerce platform or product catalog. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use Perplexity AI to create effective and engaging product descriptions, helping to boost your product listings and attract more customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.